Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect Cash App to Regions Bank. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Then from here we want to go to linked banks. Now from here you should see the option to link a debit card, even if you have one linked already. So click on link debit card. Now right here we have to select no card, and instead we'll be given the to a bank account. As you can read right here, Cash App uses Play to link your bank account. Okay, so now we gotta click on continue, and like I said, if you want to connect it to Regions Bank, just gotta click on Regions right here, and then this is where you type in your information and you click on submit, and then it will guide you through the authentication process for Regions Bank on Cash App. So hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.